If you are more than 45 years and attain menopause, pregnancy seems unbelievable, is it? But with the modern techniques of IVF, we can bring back your menstruation and the uterus can be made ready for a pregnancy with a pretty good success rate.
Ya kini ke Jingyalang lapanya du lampang yang dorbar tawan kejelau Thomas E Sangma, haka baladan lang menteri rang ba kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma, kisembut menteri rang ba kejelau kebagentup iu ba prestun tensong ba senyau balangdar, kia melia bat kia officer sarkar ne kitanat boper. Haka ni ke Jingyalang jong ka High Power Committee, jong yang dorbar tawan kejelau. U Thomas E Sangma ula pentip ba ke Jingyalang kelekran halor ke Jinglong Jingman jong kikam kijam haka Jingtei yang dorbar tawan ke betemai. Bad halor ke Jingtyrwa bantai ya ke Jingtei haka Wat Ba-ar bad ban kemiru ke bedai bad ke Jing penmit penbiang haka bedai bad ke kampahara. Ulito ba ke High Power Committee ka Assembly Secretariat bagi tanat sarkar boper kila menjur ke Jingtyrwa nak benta ke Jingtei haka Wat Ba-ar. Bad ke Jingtyrwa on sapa syak tanat DONER jong ke sarkar pedeng.
We reviewed the progress of the new assembly building, which is the first phase. And we also presented the proposal for the second phase also. Second phase will include the staff quarters, MLA hostels, and the other health centers, schools, and so on.
So what were the agendas of today's meeting?
As I said, basically, number one was the review of the status, present progress of the main assembly building. Then the second item, agenda number 2, was to discuss about the second phase, which we are submitting a proposal to the Government of India through the DONER Ministry. Then the third agenda item was the presentation of the security systems, providing security solutions to the assembly complex. So now, with the approval of the High Power Committee, Assembly Secretariat, and the concerned departments like PWD and the other like PMCs and the consultants will sit together and again come back. We have decided to, since we are building this, having this assembly building and the complex from the scratch, so we wanted to incorporate the traditional and cultural aesthetics in the interior, especially in the interior and in and around the assembly complex. The principle of coming out with this, proposal for second phase, we also decided, and without compromising on the as I said, the cultural traditional aesthetics, we have all agreed in principle that we should have, and also because we have 80 acres of land, but that looks very big, but actually when we put all the infrastructure inside, the space is not enough for us. That's why we have to plan accordingly, and this plan is not for short term. It is going for the next at least 2 or 3 generations in future.